In the last class, we discussed how to construct a quadrilateral with one diagonal and four sides are given. Now we are going to discuss constructing a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that BC is equal to 4.5, AD 5.5, CD 5, diagonal AC 5.5 and diagonal BD 7 centimeter. First of all, let me draw a rough figure. Here also you can find two triangles by using the same method what we adopted in the first construction. We have to draw these two triangles and then join AD, you will get a quadrilateral ABCD. So first we can draw triangle ABC. Is it possible to draw triangle ABC here? Because for triangle ABC, BC and AC two measurement only given, so it is not possible. So we can draw first triangle BCD. First draw BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now to get to D, from B you have to take 7 centimeter and from C you have to take 5 centimeter. So with the center B, radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc. Now with center C, radius, from C radius you have to take 5 centimeter. So with center C, radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc to intersect the arc of step 2. Let D be the intersecting point. Now join BD and CD. Join BD and CD. Now how will you get the point A? To get A, we have to take 5.5 centimeter from D and 5.5 centimeter from C also. So with the center C, radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Since A is on the same side of D, the same side you can draw. Now here from D also same radius 5.5. So with the center D, same radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc. Let the intersecting point be A. Now join AB and AD and write the measurements. Now ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now is it necessary to start with side BC? No. Any side, with any side you can draw this figure. Now let me rotate this one. Here this one with the DC you can start. To get A 5.5 and from D 5.5 you take. Then to get B from 4.5 centimeter from C and D 7 centimeter from D you take, you will get a B. In this way also you can draw the same quadrilateral. Now let us write the steps of construction. First draw BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Next what we did? With the center B, we took 7 centimeter radius and drawn an arc. That we can write it. With the center B, radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc here. Now we can draw with center C, radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc to intersect the arc of step 2 at D. Now we can join BD and CD. Join BD and CD. Now we have to get A. For that, with center C, radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Next, same with the center D, radius 5.5, you can draw an arc to intersect the previous arc. With the center D, radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc to intersect the arc of step 5 at A. Now join AB and AD. Now ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now let us see the textbook questions. Here question number 1, quadrilateral lift. So two diagonals and three sides are given. In the same way you can construct it. Similarly, this also quadrilateral gold also, two diagonals and three sides are given, you can construct. Then let us see a rhombus bend. Only two measurements are given. How will you construct it? Let us see. First let me draw a rough figure. You know rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides are equal. Here only diagonals are given, no sides is given. But you know one property, in a rhombus, diagonal bisect each other at right angles, or diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So first let me draw DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, that is DE. Let the perpendicular bisector be XY intersecting DE at O. Now you know it is diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. That means it bisects DE, or from, since the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors, OB and ON are equal. That means BN is equal to 5.6, so OB and ON are half of 5.6, that is 2.8. So with the center O, take 2.8 radius intersect XY in 2 points. These 2 points are B and N respectively. Now join BE, EN, ND and DB. This is the required rhombus BEND. So this exercise also completed. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.